knocking the mud right off too. Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all use Superclean. Yeah, so that's a wrap. The bike looks mint. Superclean works. One thing that I want to mention though is just make sure you don't use it full strength, especially on the aluminum parts. If you're gonna use it full strength, just make sure you do a test to make sure it's not gonna do any damage or leave any. If you see like a haze or anything, don't use it on that part of the bike. But other than that, it looks good. It looks good. I'll definitely be using it again. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, make sure y'all like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. What do y'all use to clean your bike? What don't you use? What do you like? But yeah, y'all be safe out there.
Hey, Stone, Mountain Moto, kick dirt, rev it up, we gone. Any land, turf, or terrain, we own. YZ, gas, blowing that strong, yeah. Ooh, hit the trail, just me and my crew, baby. Riding through the ATL, ain't nothing new, baby.